Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have another Christmas DIY. It's actually a nice quick and easy Hessian garland. You don't actually need to be crafty in any way. This DIY is pretty much for everybody and it looks amazing when it's all lit up. For the DIY you're going to need 1 meter of your chosen Hessian, some shiny tulle but this is optional, LED lights, again your choice of length and colour, and then I got some mini baubles and scissors. To start off you're going to want to cut all of your Hessian into strips. You can go as wide or as narrow as you want, but just remember that Hessian frays a lot. So if you're using tulle, go ahead and cut this into strips as well. But if you didn't want to use tulle, you could actually use fabric and this would actually look really nice as well, especially if you went for like a Christmas print. Take your Hessian strips and then you're going to want to cut them into smaller strips, but make sure that they're big enough so that you can tie them in a knot. So go ahead and start tying your Hessian to your strip of LED lights. If you're using multicolour Hessian like myself, I done it in red, brown, green kind of order, but you can do it in any order that you want. And again, don't worry if your Hessian starts to fray. This actually is what's going to give it that really nice rustic look. Now I went in with the red and silver tulle. I just added these to different areas just to mix it up a little. So as you can kind of tell, this part would actually take a little bit of time. But I definitely recommend sticking on a festive movie to entertain you while you get creative. Also leave me a comment down below and let me know what your favourite Christmas movie is, because I'm intrigued to see what everybody else is into. So when I finished with the Hessian and the tulle, I felt like mine needed something else, so I decided to add some ribbons. So I went with a bit of green, red and silver ribbon. But again, you can choose whatever colour you want. You can choose whether you want to even put the ribbon in. So now it's time to add the baubles. So simply just tie them to the strip of LED lights and cut off the excess thread. So I chose to do my garland in a more kind of traditional colours, which I thought would go perfectly with the decor in my sitting room. But this DIY would look lovely in any colour. I just think it looks real rustic and homemade and just really nice. Like it's really tasteful, if that's the word you'd use. So I'm super happy with how mine turned out and I hope you will be happy with yours too. So like I said, it's an easy DIY and anyone could make it. So I hope you all enjoyed this quick garland DIY. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. So thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video very soon. Bye!